This is Insight Industries, connecting Africa to the world.
Welcome to the Elevator Expo, where innovation meets vertical mobility. In today's expo, we get to meet industry leaders, engineers, designers, and innovators shaping the future of vertical transportation. From high-speed elevators to smart building solutions, this expo brings together the latest technologies redefining how we move within modern cities.
So that's a conversation you should be able to have with your supplier and your lift contractor as you're installing it, so that they can be able to give you this definition.
We engage with government and industry regulators to create a smooth operating business environment for real estate developers in the sector.
We need to have a professional and reliable lifts in the buildings that are also upcoming.
We customize according to the needs of the client, according to the size, to the height of the floor.
We are willing to come to Africa looking for a business partner.
Let's have a list here that you are concerned about. 8 things you have listed in an earlier conversation we had. You have reported, you've actually raised issues of critical gaps in this industry. One of them is insufficient lifts in the building, poor adherence to the Disability Act that we spoke to, lack of design basis reports, outdated standards, weak awareness, the do-it-yourself kits, buyer ignorance that she has spoken to, and rising incidences. For 36 years, which one is priority?
So you want to start from the installation of how many lifts do you actually need in this space, and from how many lifts do you need in this space, what is the capacity of these lifts, right? And we look at that by doing something we call a traffic analysis, where you check how many floors do I have, how many people do I expect if it's commercial, 3 bedrooms every floor, how many people are going to live in a 3-bedroom space, that's residential. In a commercial space, it's more of a square foot kind of calculation. And after that, then if I expect this lift to serve me for 25 years, how often is the technology changing regarding this unit? And that your supplier should be able to tell you, right? How often is it changing? That means how often should I do repairs? What's my wear and tear in terms of doing the suspension ropes, the controllers, and all this kind of technology. So that's a conversation you should be able to have with your supplier and your lift contractor as you're installing it, so that they can be able to give you this definition when they're selling it and they're giving you the 1-year warranty, the 2-year warranty. It should also be in my 25 years. What's my expectation in terms of budget? Once I buy it every 5 years, what should I be spending? And that way you can come into a conclusive kind of cost of what my lift is going to cost me.
If you do not have enough elevators, what's going to happen is the elevators are going to be overused. We talked about maintenance. You're not going to get a shutdown for maintenance, and eventually it starts becoming just breakdown maintenance. And same the design stage procurement. If you go with the cheapest price, you're going to say have the same set of problems. Then when you talk about knowledge, we talk about the technical knowledge. It's on the construction stage. If you do not have the technical knowledge, you're going to start having problems again, because you might have a good lift, good number of elevators, everything in place, good material, but if it's not installed properly, you're again going to have a problem. And then we come to maintenance. If at the maintenance stage, if there's a compromise, you're again going to come into it. So the problem is that there isn't one thing that needs to be fixed. To get an elevator safe, you need to fix everything together. The 3 parts of that triangle. You need to get that triangle in place. There isn't one aspect. There's no one weak link. We can say, okay, fine, let's ignore this link except for probably aesthetics. It doesn't matter what the button looks like. It doesn't matter what the car inside looks like. Every other aspect of the elevator has to be in place. This triangle has to be complete. Otherwise, we're going to have problems along the line.
Please tell us your name and the organization you work with.
Okay, my name is Ellen. I work at Kenya Property Developers Association.
Okay, and what does does KPDA do?
We are an association of private sector players in the real estate sector, manufacturers and suppliers of building materials, professionals such as engineers, architects, property managers. We also have real estate lawyers, so conveyancing experts and tax experts, as well as financiers in our membership.
Okay. And what exactly do you guys do?
We engage with government and industry regulators to create a smooth operating business environment for real estate developers in the sector. So we engage with government to present the challenges that developers are facing in navigating development control applications, among other issues, advocating for incentives for property developers, and liaising with regulators to ease the cost of doing business in the sector.
Okay. You mentioned you work with professionals.
Yeah.
How do you choose these individuals, or do they apply, or what happens?
Yeah, our membership is purely voluntary. They don't have to be members, but we also have MOUs with the different professional associations, in that we work collaboratively with them to verify our activities and present a unified front as we engage with the different ministries and regulators. Definitely join KPDA. We are an association that has the property developers' interests at heart, and we have a golf and barbecue event on Friday, 5th of December. So please come join us at Sigona. We'll see you there.
Is there any payment? Even me, I want to come.
Yeah, there's payment. There's payment, but I can send the details, of course. But yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for joining us.
Hello, hi.
Please tell us your name
My name is Anastasia Mukami.
and which organization are you here with today?
I work with Specialized Engineering. We work with Shizi Elevators Company Limited. Yes.
Tell us a bit about Shizi, their product range, and anything else you could think of.
Shizi Elevators started in 1981 in China. It previously was a joint venture with a company called Otis, but after the split up, it became independent fully to Shizi. So Shizi has been also in the Kenyan market since 2016. In the inception of Shizi, currently we give elevators and escalators in Kenya. Yes.
And in Kenya, you've been in operation since when?
Since 2016. Yes, close to 10 years.
And how many projects roughly have you done?
We have done more than 200 projects in Kenya currently. We have installed more than 700 units for Shizi. Yes.
Wow, that's an impressive number.
Yeah, it's a good number.
Okay.
Yes.
And tell us a bit about how do you import the materials? You come, you join them together, or all your manufacturing bases are here in Kenya? Everything is here in Kenya?
So our entire manufacturing happens in China. Shizi does the entire process. All the components, we have the original components. We don't source from anywhere else. Everything that we use, we produce it by ourselves. So we do the whole manufacturing of the parts, because an elevator, we customize elevators. Not all elevators are the same. We customize according to the needs of the client, according to the size, to the height of the floors. So we customize an elevator to fit what a client needs. And as we customize, we get to advise you on what you need and what you can get. So we customize, we do the whole assembly in China. When it comes in as complete parts, then we just do the installation of the different parts. We join them together. We have manuals that come from the factory, and also we have qualified engineers. So engineers know what to do, but in case of a different lift, we always have a manual to support the work. Yes. Yeah.
What makes your product different from what is in the market, or why should people choose your elevators, your escalators? Yeah.
I'd say choose Shizi because you see the entire production process, we do it by ourselves. So it means all the components are original. We don't get to assemble components from other areas. We just put everything you need comes from us. And then apart from that, we are also fully registered in Kenya. We are a company that's compliant with the regulations of Kenya, with the standards that are required. So it's very safe to work with us. So we bear all the costs, or we bear all the things that might come with the installation, the sales, and the after-sale services. Also, we have a local team that supports in the after sales. So it's 24 hours. So we are ever there to respond to any emergencies, whether it's a breakdown, whatever it is, within 24 hours. And the best thing about Shizi, it's very reliable. Over the more than 200 projects that we have done, I could believe all our clients will give a very good testimony about us.
Satisfied clients.
Yes, satisfied clients.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Maybe any message you have for the people? Anyone watching?
Choose Shizi. It's the best brand in Kenya. It's the best brand in Africa. It's the best brand in the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us.
Asante. Thank you.
At Tektronics, we get to learn about advanced solutions that support modern elevator installation, control, and system integration.
Thank you for joining us. Please tell us your name and the company you work with.
So my name is Chintan Parekh. We are from India, and our company name is Tektronics. We sell gearless elevator machines, and we have our own factory in India where we've been manufacturing since 2014.
So what are your range of products?
So we have home lifts and then the bigger lifts also, so which can give, we have machines for 4 passengers till about 44 passengers. We are willing to come to Africa looking for business partners who can sell our machines, and we also have, we can also supply the full kits, like as you can see here, the the door, automatic doors, cabins, COP, LOP. Here we have, those kits where we can give you guide, shoe, more speed governors. We have, we can supply the whole package also of full lift. We have enough technical team who can help you to install the lifts also, and it can also help after service also. Our machines are coming with 5 years of international warranty, which is probably the first time ever somebody is giving. So we are very confident of our products and its quality.
Outside of India, where else have you distributed?
So outside India, we've just started operations. As I said, this is our the 4th exhibition participation. But indirectly, our machines have been going through our Indian dealers outside India. Like we have machines in Nepal, we have machines in Bangladesh, we have machines, in fact, here, a couple of machines installed here in Nairobi as well. And Globe Care Hospital, as you see here, has installed this machine recently, right? And once we have a distributor or channel partner here, we can start, buying products from us, and we can start exporting to African countries also.
Okay. And what makes your product unique from what is in the market, or why should people choose you as the lift provider?
See, whenever there is installation of lift done, you'll need a lot of technical specifications to be decided before the installation, right? Once you are inside the lift, you don't understand, because we all travel inside the lift. But the main part of installation, which is done when the building is being done, or if you are doing the modernization, which means that you are removing the old lift and putting the new lift. There are many such projects being done where very old building, the old lift will not work. So then you have to put the new lift. So all those requires expertise of perfect diagrams, perfect matching of a lot of all these parts. See, there are multinational people involved in making doors or panels or cabins, but where we know the right combination of making the kit.
And what what would be your message to the people?
So we all know that like Kenya, India, all these developing countries now would want to use the latest technology, and where India being the biggest manufacturing hub, you should take material from India, and we will be happy to be giving the best of quality and best of service. The website name is techtronixtechnology.com.
Okay, thank you for speaking with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
As cities continue to grow taller and smarter, elevators play a critical role in shaping the future of architecture and infrastructure. Events like this help push innovation forward, setting new standards for safety, efficiency, and design in vertical mobility.
Thank you for joining us. Please tell us your name.
My name is Abdi Samad Sharif. I work with Euro Elevator.
Tell us a bit about Euro Elevator.
Euro Elevator is an elevator company that deals with supply of elevators and escalators. We do installation also and a bit of service and maintenance.
Is this a Kenyan company?
Yeah, it's a local company. Our office is located along Mombasa Road, next to Gen Mall.
I see you have very sleek designs. Where did this come from? Like, what is the origination?
Yeah, we source our products from China. We have our production company in China. We are the distributors here locally in Africa and East Africa also.
Apart from Kenya, in Africa, where else are you located?
We are also distributing our lifts here in Kenya and also in Somalia. We are now advancing to Uganda also.
So how many people would you say you have served? You see there's a 2016 here.
Yeah, from 2016, next year we are completing a whole decade. We are supplying over 300 lifts. Yes.
Okay, any message you have for the people?
And my message goes to the directors, developers and contractors. For the increasing and the booming of real estate in Kenya now, we need to have a professional and reliable lifts in the buildings that are also upcoming.
And this is like really good for modern buildings. The designs are very sleek, honestly. I can vouch for them, and it's very beautiful if you ask me. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Asante sana.
The Elevator Expo is a glimpse into the future of movement, innovative, connected, and constantly evolving. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more industry insights. This is Insight Industries Africa.